Fun with Angly dot dot dot.
Hi, I'm going to demonstrate how to use assessment in Gyanyatra. So already we entered the student information. Now we're going to for the question sections. In assessment have combination of multiple choice question and fill up question and audio questions. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to answer the multiple choice questions. Okay. So after enter the disability status and press down arrow.
Heading level 2 total number of questions : 10.
So total number of questions. So in this assessment have 10 questions. Then press tab, press down arrow.
Heading level 2 number of questions in this section : 3.
3. So in this section, multiple choice questions is 3. Okay. Now press down arrow.
Fun with grammar.
Fun with grammar. So in this section name is fun with grammar. Then press down arrow.
Blank. Grouping heading level 4 Q1 dot. The movie was 11 lines than I expected dot.
So so this is the first questions. So if you want to read again, use insert plus up arrow.
Heading level 4 Q1 dot. The movie was 11 lines than I expected dot.
Okay. So if you want to word by word, you can use press home button.
Q.
Then press control plus right arrow. You can read word by word.
The movie was 11 line.
11 line.
Then
I
expected dot.
I expected dot. So if you want the read control plus right arrow. If you want to read the line by line, you can use down arrow, or you can read the question again. You can use insert plus up arrow.
Heading level 4 Q1 dot. The movie was 11 lines than I expected dot.
Okay. Then after that, you can press down arrow, choose your answer.
Radio button not checked. More interesting.
More interesting. I'm selecting. So if you the answer you know, you can press spacebar to select your answer.
Checked.
Check. Then press down arrow.
Radio button not checked. None of these.
Okay, none of these.
Radio button not checked. Most interesting. Radio button not checked. Interesting.
Interesting. Then press down arrow. You can go to the second question.
Out of grouping heading level 4 Q2 dot. Necessity is the 10 line dot.
Okay, necessity is a 10 line dot. Okay. So also I will explain. Suppose your NVDA simple level is not set to all. The NVDA it not reading the empty lines. I will show you. So how to set the simple level. So currently I'm setting the simple level to all. I will explain it. Insert plus P.
Symbol level none.
Symbol level none. Again press P.
Symbol level sum.
Symbol level sum.
Symbol level most.
Symbol level most.
Symbol level all.
Symbol level all. Okay.
Symbol level none.
None. So I'm selecting the symbol level none. Suppose all the users are not able to defaultly set to the simple level all. Okay. Suppose if your simple level set to none, so currently I'm in simple level none. Okay. Now you can read this question again. Insert plus up arrow.
Heading level for Q2. Necessity is a.
Necessity is the, that's all. So the blank is not read by NVDA. Okay. I will read again.
Heading level 4 Q2. Necessity is a.
Necessity is the, that's all. Okay. That empty line is not a read. So in this case, we need to set simple level to all. Okay. How to set simple level all? Insert plus P.
Symbol level sum.
Simple level sum. Again insert plus P.
Symbol level most.
Simple level most.
Symbol level all.
Simple level all. Okay. Then until you hear all, you can keep on press P. Okay. Now you press insert plus up arrow. Read this question again.
Heading level 4 Q2 dot. Necessity is the 10 line dot.
Okay. Necessity is the 10 line. So that line is read by NVDA. Okay. Then press down arrow.
Radio button not checked. Brother of imagination.
Brother of imaginations.
Radio button not checked. Father of earning.
Brother of earning.
Radio button not checked. Mother of invention.
Brother of invention. If you know the answer, select spacebar.
Checked.
Then press down arrow.
Radio button not checked. Sister of crime.
Okay. Then press down arrow.
Out of grouping heading level 4 Q3 dot. My house is 5 line as yours dot.
Okay. So there's my house is. You can read if you want to read insert plus.
Heading level 4 Q3 dot. My house is 5 line as yours dot.
My house 5 lines yours dot. Then press down arrow.
Radio button not checked as big.
As big. Then if you know the answer, press spacebar.
Checked.
Okay.
Radio button not checked big.
Okay.
Radio button not checked bigger. Radio button not checked biggest.
Biggest. Okay. So that's all from in this sections. So I will tell you the what all the shortcuts here involved in this sections. You can use for the H key for the heading levels from one questions to another questions, and or for the radio buttons. Thank you.
Fun. Screen sharing.